Hello and welcome to another video of Viceless. Today we have something truly special for you. We are going to explore the magic of AI artistry by using carefully selected words in our prompts. These 20 words will unlock the full potential of Midjourney 5.2 and take your creations to new heights. So let's dive right in. We have prompted each word individually and in combinations. We explored various subjects landscapes, fauna, and flora for nature. Architecture brought us down, interior and architecture itself. For a touch of fantasy and sci fi, we used portrait, girl, model, and robots. In this part 1 of the video, today we'll discover how 10 unique words can breathe life and creativity into our AI generated art. Now, let's talk about the words we have chosen for our experiments. We have carefully selected these words, each with its own unique essence, to see how they influence the AI's creations. These words evoke different emotions, moods, and styles, allowing us to witness the incredible versatility of Midjourney V5.2. But, of course, the best way to understand this is by seeing it in action. Our journey begins with the word ethereal. This word conjures images of the otherworldly, the mystical. And just like that, Midjourney version 5.2 transports us to dreamlike landscapes filled with the enchantment and wonder. Next is Supple, embodying flexibility and grace. While it doesn't drastically change nature images, it adds fluidity to landscapes and intriguing animal poses. Architecture gains wavy elements, especially in interiors. Fantasy and sci fi get a touch of grace. Now, let's move to furious. The word itself ignites a fire within. Midjourney version 5.2 doesn't disappoint, as it churns out powerful and intense visuals, capturing the essence of raw, unbridled emotion. But not all words are fiery. Serene takes us to a tranquil realm, where calmness and peace reign supreme. With this word, Midjourney V5.2 paints soothing scenes that soothe the soul. Now, you might be wondering, can Midjourney 5.2 adapt to different styles? The answer is a resounding yes. Take industrial for instance. It conjures images of factories and machinery, and voila, our AI companion delivers with stunning precision. But let's not forget the playful side. Whimsical infuses a sense of fun and lightheartedness into our prompts. Midjourney version 5.2 doesn't disappoint as it whisks us away to a whimsical wonderland. Now, let's delve into querylessness, a word perhaps too complex for Midjourney. It results in some intriguing color schemes but doesn't quite capture its meaning. Nature images get a slight twist, and architecture leans toward elegance. Fantasy and sci fi, however, become text heavy. Next is immutable, represents unchanging permanence. Midjourney grapples with this word, producing text-heavy images. Nature images take on a different style. Architecture leans contemporary, while fantasy and sci-fi exhibit some default traits. Art is a powerful medium for expressing emotions. Melancholic evokes feelings of deep sadness and introspection. As expected, Midjourney V5.2 creates art that tugs at the heartstrings. But let's not dwell in sorrow for too long. Joyful brings us back to the brighter side of life. With this word, our AI companion paints vibrant, uplifting scenes that radiate happiness. As you can see, the possibilities with Midjourney version 5.2 are truly endless. These words are just the beginning. Whether you seek inspiration, emotion, or pure creativity, this AI tool can bring your vision to life. So, go ahead and explore the magic of Midjourney V5 for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey with Midjourney version 5. We hope you have been inspired by the incredible potential of these words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting explorations in the world of AI art. Until next time, keep creating and keep exploring.